Hi, this is Alcam. Welcome back to my channel. Well, I don't know if you saw the commercial here, but Mayor Bloomberg's going around, or Mike Bloomberg, going around saying, he can deal any crisis better than Trump. Of course, he's thinking about 9/11 and other issues. But no, he missed one major crisis. That was December 26, 2010. When a projected 22-inch snowstorm was on the way to the city. That's Sunday. But instead of declaring an emergency Saturday night, they declared it Sunday afternoon, just as the snow was about to approach. And there was a question about what happened with the sanitation department and the plowing. So there was some big controversy there. So to say that Bloomberg saying that, I can handle crisis better than the president. Well, it wasn't the president who screwed up. It was him. That he did something with the sanitation people, and the sanitation people retaliated. That's what I understood. But yet, they never got hit with a tail fine. So if somebody was doing something they weren't supposed to and didn't get hit with the tail law, it's obvious that Bloomberg didn't have control of the situation. So keep lying, Mike. We got the photos from that date. You can easily put it online. Send it in the edition and all these other people. So this is Al saying so long for now. Don't forget your sign.